It is here. The day has come, nerds. The day where Android fanboys can rejoice and Apple fanboys will run with fear. With fear. Want tech news in a way that doesn't suck? Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications if you're sitting on the toilet right now. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Front Page Tech, the show that gives you all latest tech news from one geek that is me to another that is you. Hi, how you doing? Happy Friday. Listen, all right, need to warn you, I'm not in a great mood. YouTube has not been kind to us this week, demonetizing and suppressing our episodes, and I have had it. All bets are off now. It's Mad Journ today. All right, so first up for the day, story numero uno. Speaking of our episodes being suppressed and demonetized, it's because of a thing that I can't say anymore because they figured it out. Unfortunately, we were probably one of the first channels to find out that they were doing this weeks ago, demonetizing episodes that talked about the thing. You know what I'm talking about, right? I can't say any of the that's happening in this place. This place right here. Oh, sick. You get it? You know what I'm saying? Well, now it's actually in the news. YouTube has come forward and admitted that, yes, they are, in fact, demonetizing videos that talk about the the thing. And I guess the goal is to help stop spreading misinformation online, but, like, people are going to spread misinformation online anyway, and this is to discourage them because you won't get money if you talk about it, so you might as well not talk about it at all. But first of all, okay, it's the news. I gotta talk about. There's so much happening because of this economically and with people in the tech community. I have to talk about it. And second, you will not stop us. I wouldn't even mind so much if they just demonetized the episodes, but they're not just doing that, they're suppressing them so no one sees them as well. And I'm not playing this. I'm not playing your reindeer games, YouTube. So we're gonna block out the word from all the articles that we talk about. And they even caught on to me calling it beer flu and started demonetizing us for that too. So you know what? If I can't show the word, and I can't say the word, and I can't say the funny name that I gave it anymore because you figured that out, I won't say anymore. You have forced me to just use noises now, intelligible noises that the algorithm won't figure out. So now, when I talk about this, instead of calling it the beer flu or the other thing, I'm just gonna go bop, bop, bop. That's it. It's just noises now. Thank you, YouTube. You did this. Ha-ha! Try to get us now. Journ and Burn outsmarted you again. Anyway, this is literally the first story of the show. YouTube is, in fact, admitting that they're doing it. We're not the only ones that are being demonetized and suppressed for this. Other creators are as well. But you know what, YouTube? You're gonna have to try harder than that to get Journed because the next story is also about bap, bap, bap. Next up, Santa Clara County is now trying to get tech companies to definitely not do any events anytime soon. Which, by the way, if you were wondering, in Santa Clara, breathe. I just need to breathe. In Santa Clara County, that includes Cupertino, you know, where Apple is. It also includes Google, that's in Mountain View. It also includes Tesla, Netflix, LinkedIn, Adobe, and other places, others as well, also. The county itself has gone ahead and issued new prevention guidelines, asking people in these companies to avoid travel, or postpone or cancel any mass gatherings like events. So, you know, Apple, they were supposed to have a March event at the end of this month. Probably not gonna happen. In fact, like 2 weeks ago, when reports came out and was like, Apple is having an event probably on March 31st or 30th, whatever they said. The point is, they said Apple was gonna have an event. I came on this show and said, whoa, hold up. Actually, my sources within Apple are telling me that Apple hasn't decided yet. Like, they still may cancel this thing and not have an event at all. And it's starting to look like that's exactly what we're getting. So once again, Journ, CEO of I Told You So. But the good news is there are other options. I would like to see Apple do like those surprise drops throughout the week like we had last year sometime. That was exciting and fun and new. I like that a lot, actually. But also, they could have the event and just stream it. Just not invite people there and just stream it instead. Nobody can get sick through streams that we know of yet. Either way, yeah, California's like, hey, don't leave. Don't go nowhere. Don't travel. Also, don't have events. Don't bring people in together and then send them out with sickness. Okay. That's the last bap story of the day. I hate my life. All right. last up for the day, the Android on iPhone thing. I was excited about it, but then me having to cover all the bop bop and make a noise instead of saying the word, I'm drained and I'm over it. I'm done with this week, so now I'm not excited anymore. There is a brand new jailbreak hack that will then allow you, it enables you to run Android on your iPhone. And this isn't the first time we've seen something like this happen. In fact, like a decade ago, I'm pretty sure the same guy was able to get Android to run on an iPhone 3G. Well, now that same guy and his cybersecurity startup team people have released a brand new jailbreak hack using the check rain jailbreak exploit. I guess that's what it's called. I don't do this, so I don't know. I just want my phones to work. Thank you. Using that, you're able to gain access to the bootloader, at least for older iPhones, specifically in this case, the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, and their new Project Sandcastle lets you actually install a working version of Android on those devices. Now, I know you're sitting there right now going, what? That's kind of sketchy. Does it work perfectly? And my response to that would be, well, what is work perfectly these days anyway? What does that even mean? No, it does not. Here's a video of an actual iPhone 7 booting Android. Listen, it's cool to see. I can't lie. It's cool. Who knows? Might be a fun thing for you to do, but like, I'm definitely not recommending it. That would be like me coming on the show and saying, sure, kids, shove your hand down your garbage disposal. It kinda works, and by kinda works, I mean, it works enough to be able to say that you put Android on an iPhone. And plus, if you always wanted the opportunity to run Android on superior hardware, here's your chance. I'm kidding. Oh my God, I'm kidding. That's just joke. It's a joke. Haha. Funny stuff, huh? Right? Please don't light me on fire. It was just a joke. Or was it? And that's the show. Hopefully you liked it. You learned something. If you did, hit the like button. If you hate my stupid face, hit the dislike button. That works. Have a good weekend. Try to stay away from the bap bap. Don't get the bap bap. Okay. I'm just gonna go. Goodbye.